we're going to do some work with division today. And we started with shoes. How many shoes do we have on the table?
6.
We've got 6 shoes on the table. What shape is the table?
Rectangle.
It's a rectangle. Okay. A diagram of what we have on the table. We've got a rectangular desk. So I drew a rectangle. And now what we want to do is we want to get some shoes on there. I'm just going to go like this. Okay, how many shoes do we have on there?
6.
6. Now I have a question. How many shoes does it take to make a pair?
2.
So it takes 2 to make a whole. Is that making sense to everybody?
Yes.
Alright, how many pairs can I make?
3.
Yeah, you're right. So instead of this being just a rectangle, all I'm going to do is I'm going to erase these lines. And what we have here is a division problem. Okay, so how many pairs of shoes can we make?
3.
We can make 3 pairs of shoes. So I'm going to put a 3 up here. Okay, now here's the checking part. Going back to the shoes. We've got 6 shoes. How many pairs can we make?
3.
3 pairs of shoes. 3 pairs of shoes right there. Alright, now, when I put those 3 pairs of shoes in the box, how many shoes will be left on the desk? In other words, here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, there's 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs up here, just like I wrote 3 pairs up there. But now, inside those boxes, how many shoes do I have? I've got boxes of 2. How many boxes? 3. Go ahead. And what's that whole sentence? 2 times?
2 times 4.
Well, let's start right here. Let's start right here.
3 times 2
Is 6. Alright. And I took those off the desk, right?
Yes.
So what's left on the desk when I put them all in boxes?
A piece of paper.
Yeah, nothing, right? Alright, so if I subtract, I take away all the shoes that I got in boxes, and we have nothing left. That's a division problem. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, how many beans do we have?
6.
We got 6. And what shape is the 6 in?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. That's all the stuff, right? Over here in this problem, I want you to put the 6 in there.
Right here.
Yes, ma'am. How many shoes does it take to make a pair?
2.
That's right. So that's in the circle, right? I'd like for you to put that in the circle in the problem. Okay, does everybody have that?
What?
It takes 2 to make a whole, and you've got 6 things. Okay, everybody look at your beans. They're arranged in 2s, right? How many 2s are there? In other words, it takes 2 shoes to make a pair. How many pairs can you make?
3.
3, good. Alright, so right above, put your pencil right on that 6 that you wrote. The dangerous end, good. And how many pairs can you make? You said 3. So right above that 6, I want you to write a 3. And then keep your pencil on that 3. Don't let go. Okay, we're going to put them in 3 boxes, right? Okay. Now, how many shoes are in boxes? Well,
2.
3.
And then
3 times
2.
is what?
6.
Okay, right here.
So should I write 6 with that?
Yep. Okay, now everybody, I want you to look at your beans. We just took them off the table and we put them in boxes. Right? How many did we put in boxes? All 6, right? So go ahead and grab your beans. They go right up here into 3 boxes, yes? Alright, and we got rid of all the beans because we got 3 boxes. Now, when we took those away, how many beans are left in there?
None.
None, right. So show me that in the problem. So you're going to do a subtraction. You're going to go 6, put in a minus sign.
Where? Okay, here.
Right there, yep. Subtract your 6, and you're left with?
0.
Can you keep up?
0.
I'm confused.
Good. Alright, let me show you. Now,
7.
get 7 shoes. Alright, and I've put that same diagram up on the board. We get 7. But shoes still come 2 in a pair, right? Okay. Now how many pairs can I make?
3.
I can still make 3 pairs. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So pair number 1. Pair number 2. Pair number 3.
Those cost money.
They do. Alright, so I've made 3 pairs. I've made 3 pairs. Now, in the 3 pairs of shoes that I put in boxes, how many did I just basically box up and take off the table? Help me out, everybody.
8 times 2 equals 6.
Okay, now if you subtract, what's going to be left?
1 shoe.
1 shoe. Alright, now watch how I handle this. You ready? 7 minus 6 is 1. Now where is that 1 shoe?
It's on the desk.
What shape is the desk?
Rectangle.
So I'm going to box this 1. And up here, I'm going to have 3. It takes how much to make a whole pair?
2.
That goes in here. And up here in the box, how many remain up there? How many are still on the desk?
1.
And what shape is the desk?
Rectangle.
So what's our answer going to be?
1/2.
What, the whole thing?
1/2
3 times
3 and
3.5.
3.5. Alright, how many beans do you have to divide up now?
9.
Okay, go ahead and write a 9 in the problem. There you go. And how many shoes does it take to make a pair?
2.
That's right. Okay, everybody, let's get your pencil on the 9. Everybody hanging on to the 9? How many pairs of shoes can we make with 9 shoes?
4.
Yeah. So right straight up above, write a 4. Okay, everybody hanging on to the 4 with their pencil? Let's say that multiplication fact now. 4 times the 2, right? Bounce right onto the 2, is 8. Okay, write your 8. Nice. Everybody take 8 shoes off the table now. Alright, nice. And how many shoes remain on the table?
1.
Okay, let's do that in writing now. Nice. Now, show that 1 shoe is still on a table by putting it in a box. Because we have not divided that up into boxes yet. Okay, how much does it take to make a whole pair of shoes?
2.
Let's put that in the fraction. That's your denominator. And how many shoes are left on the table?
1.
Put that 1 right up there in the box. Now, what's the whole answer? Start here.
4 times
4 and
4 and 2.
4 and
1.
1/2. Nice.